In AutoCAD, you can enter text just like any other text editor program like Notepad or Microsoft Word. But every kind of text has some properties like text font, its text height, oblique angle, etc. So these properties are defined by text style. By default, you'll find that AutoCAD has two text style, standard and annotative. You can look at these text style when you expand this annotation panel and click on this drop down menu for text style. Here you will see annotative and standard as the text style which are predefined. You can create your own text style by clicking on this manage text styles. You can also use its command equivalent, which is ST. So let's use the command equivalent. Type ST on command line and press enter. So this will bring text styles window. Now we can create our own text style here. You can clearly see that we have annotative and standard as text styles. Now click on new and create a new style. Let's name it my style and click on OK. So here you'll see my style text style has been added. Now we can make changes. Let's go to font first. So the default font txt.shx is selected. Let's change it to Arial. So here we have Arial. You can see the preview of changes in this box. Now the font style is regular. Let's change it to bold. If you want to make this text annotative, you can click this checkbox, else you can leave it. We are not going to make it annotative for now, so let's leave it. In text height, you can change it to any other value if annotative is not checked, or you can even leave it at 0 and change this value later on using text editor tab. Now there are some effects which you can add, like upside down and backwards. You can also make these texts vertical, but right now for Arial font you won't see this vertical option activated. So this option for vertical is available only for certain kind of fonts, especially .shx fonts. So let's leave it for now. And here we have this width factor, so which is currently set to 1. So when you change this width factor to 2 units, the text width will become twice of its original value. Let's leave it at 1 for now, and this oblique angle will create a italics text. So let's say that we want to create a text at an angle of 30 degrees. So here's the oblique angle, which is 30 degrees with respect to the vertical axis. So again here we don't want to make it oblique, so let's keep it at 0. So here we have made some changes to this text style. Now if you want to keep this text style, click on apply and now close it. Now when you move to this expanded annotation panel and click on this drop down, you'll see that my style text style has been added, and in our next video we will use this my style in our drawing.